Socio-Economic Right and Accountability Project, SERAP, has urged Senate President Godswill Akpabio and House Speaker Tajuddin Abbas to slash the proposed N9.4 billion naira budget for travels, meals, and catering allocated to the presidency, as well as the 344.85 billion naira set aside for lawmakers. According to reports, SERAP proposed redirecting the savings from these reductions to address the nation's budget deficit. The group also called on Akpabio and Abbas to request a revised supplementary budget from President Bola Tinubu, reflecting cuts to both the presidency and the National Assembly's allocations. In addition, SERAP demanded a detailed breakdown of the National Assembly's 344.85 billion naira budget, including personnel costs, salaries, and allowance for lawmakers. In a letter dated December 21, 2024, and signed by its Deputy Director, Kolawole Oluwadare, SERAP criticized the proposed allocations as excessive, labeling them a violation of the Nigerian Constitution. The group argued that such extravagant spending is unwarranted, especially given the country's fragile economy and reliance on borrowing to fund the 2024 budget. The letter also highlighted sharp increases in specific allocations, such as the presidency's budget for rehabilitation and repairs of fixed assets, which grew from 14 billion naira in 2024 to 26 billion naira in 2025. SERAP warned that it may take legal action if the National Assembly fails to curb wasteful expenditures and uphold its oversight duties. The group also condemned the government's repetitive and opaque budgeting practices, calling them a breach of public trust. The letter further outlined specific allocations in the proposed 2025 budget, including 8.74 billion naira for domestic and international travels for President Bola Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima. Combined travel expenses for two offices were reported at 11.63 billion naira, alongside additional allocations for food, refreshment, and recurrent expenditures. SERAP criticized the National Assembly proposed budget for lacking transparency, urging lawmakers to disclose its details. The organization cited constitutional provisions requiring accountability, efficiency, and equitable resource distribution for public good. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.